Good morning, welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry. I'm just going to show you around this beautiful 73 Range Rover Sport Autobiography P460e. So this is the plug-in hybrid variant. So the new engine, obviously finished in Santorini black. Now, at the moment, we have fitted some optional 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels. On these, you can opt to take the standard 22-inch. They are, again, an upgrade on these, which there are photos of in the ad. We put these on because we think it just makes it look a little bit better. If you do want those wheels, are brand new wheels, brand new tyres, £2,995 for those. But as you can see, full black exterior pack, matrix LED headlights as standard, all of your black detail on the outside, 360 cameras. You've got some side steps on these as well, which I think just fills out the bottom. I personally prefer those to the deployables. I think deployables go wrong quite a lot as well over time, but they look lovely. Again, autobiography depicted on the door sills, and that lovely extended black aniline leather in there as well. Big screen in the middle, loads of ambient lighting. Very, very nice cars, these. Meridian 3D surround sound system as well. You have got soft closed doors actually on this one as well, which is an option on this. See it closing up softly there, which is nice. Close that door soft, that's a meme, innit? But there you go, that is one owner, full manufacturer history. 2 keys, sorry, parcel shelf on the rear seats. Didn't realise that before I started filming. My apologies, please forgive me. You've got 4-zone climate control, heated rear seats, some very deep carpets in there as well. Electrically adjustable rear seating. But just a very nice example. Again, with Range Rovers, I don't think there's many cars out there like a Range Rover. Still will always be one of my all-time favourite cars, these. In the boot, usual bits and bats, paraphernalia, no spare tyre, but there is the charging cables, etc. in there. Power operated boot, again, all the black detailing around the back. One concern with Range Rover is obviously security these days, has to be said. However, we do offer a massive host of both tracking, immobilising and camera systems. So if you are interested in this, things like that are kind of essential these days. To most insurance companies will request you to have those. We can have all of those bits fitted as standard. But condition-wise, absolutely lovely. So other bits of specification on this car, so it's beeping at me because I left it running. Heads-up display, not sure if you can see it there with the headlights on actually, but you have got heads-up display. Then on here, you've got your usual bits, satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, etc, etc. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the important bits these days. But options on this car, there's quite a few. So obviously you've got the Santorini black, the SV bespoke ebony interior as well. Privacy glass, black exterior pack. And then Wade sensing, park assist, etc, ride height, usual sort of bits and bats. You've got a heated multifunction steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, digital display on there as well, with a host of various driver assistances, blind spot monitoring, etc, etc, etc. Then in terms of sort of trims, it's all piano black with sort of a really dark wood in there as well. I don't know the name of that, if I'm honest with you. But with seats, they are electric heated memory massage seats. So we've got absolutely everything on there. Massage, seat heating. I think they're ventilated as well, which they are. And then you've got your rear seats as well, which are heated and ventilated in the rear, which is lovely. Massage function, which is very, very nice on these. You can change what kind of massage that you want. You can have a pulse duo if you fancy it, which is all very nice. These seats, by the way, typical Range Rover fashion, incredibly comfortable. You've got these adjustable armrests as well. No fridge in this one. You have got a nice deep compartment there, cup holders, and then you've got some USB charging points down there. Obviously push button start, keyless entry, etc. But just a very, very nice car, this. Absolutely everything on it that you could possibly want. In black. Black exterior pack. Obviously pan roof. I didn't mention the pan roof. I forget about those on these because I just expect them to have it. But obviously tilt and slide pan roof in there as well. Again, the soft close. Just a mega car, these. Good value now, this as well. And that car would have been awfully expensive brand new, but at the price point it's at, absolutely lovely. Again, wheels are optional on this one. If you want those ones, there is an additional £2,995 to pay, or you can have the already upgraded from Land Rover themselves, the 22-inch wheels that come with it. Again, the photos of those will be in the description below. For the advert. But thank you for watching. If you are interested in this one, please do give us a call at Kingsbridge. We'll be more than happy to help. And again, subscribe to the channel, keep up to date with the cars that we're getting in stock here, and we shall see you on the next one. Cheers.